I've been up for a couple hours and man, I'm having a hard time waking up today. As you can see behind me, I've got some coffee ready. Sitting inside on a nice soft faux calf skin. So today's Monday. Today is work, marketing, coaching calls. Nope, don't like it one bit. That just looks really unfinished. Alright gang, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put some doors on the office storage cabinet. I gotta finish wrapping this because it goes right here where I have all of the puck lights for the office space mounted. I've got my solar wires coming through. I've got wires both for the LED strip here as well as in the kitchen. So a lot of things I need to cover up in this space. So I've decided I cut a board to basically pressure fit, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna wrap it, how I'm gonna make it look, because I can't put it together like I did the other stuff. Number one, because I'm pretty much out of not broken upholstery nails. So we'll see what we get. And that's it, guys. Simple job. I just had to cut this piece so I can get a good pressure fit. I left a bit of a gap, and the thickness of the vinyl itself did the rest of the work. So this is good for now. With that being said, I'm going to move on to these office upper cabinets. Next project, one of these sides, and I'm going to trim it flush. It's going to give me something that I can step onto when it's cold and I get out of bed. And two, if you guys remember from another video, I've got toe kick light. One of the things that bothers me is that I can actually see each individual little dial, and I feel like that takes it away from the glow. And so I think what this will do is going to soften the light a little bit, bring a little bit of the magic back. Fingers crossed. Now, before you start wondering, David, this is like day 3. Are you still wearing the same shirt? Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. I typically pick a shirt beginning of the week and I wear it for a few days while I build. Don't judge me. Second, you may have noticed that there's a door. Let me show this to you real quick. This is half of a partition wall. The door was on it already when I bought the van, and I've held on to it for like 6 months. Really not planning on using it because, like I told you guys, I was going to do a regular door, build it myself. I was going to do a pocket door, build it myself. Then I was like, nah, I'm going to do a blackout shade, which I'm still going to do, but I really thought, man, having a door, plus look at this, plus it has this this cool grate through it, and it just, once I clean this thing up, it's going to look great. So I just test fitted it. Everything's good. All I gotta do is clean this thing up and get all the rust off of it because it's definitely old. There's rust on the wire. Feed the wire right back in. Put this thing in there, and man, one more look. Can't get over how home-like this is really starting to feel. So long story short, I've got the door, but I've also given myself about 2.5–3 inches of depth, so the door actually goes into the cab space. So whenever I do pick up one of those blackout blinds, one of those roll-down blinds, I'm going to mount it upside down here, and it'll come all the way down, so I can still use it. I'll still have that privacy. No light's going to get out. And then finally, I'll go ahead and I'll frame it with something nice, but also use that as an opportunity to make sure that, again, no light gets into the cab, because when I'm stealth camping, what is stealth if you got light shining into everywhere for whatever, for people to see? So that's it, guys. I'm going to end the vlog here. Yes, I know those of you who are longtime subscribers, you want to see the door finished. So do I, but life goes on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Share this with anybody you know who is a first-time DIYer like myself, who is getting into van life. Just share, share, share. Feel free, comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll hit you guys later.